Welcome to Cool Happenings. Everything I find cool and amazing. Your one-stop channel for all your accessible tech solutions.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hello and welcome. There is another way we or you can create your charging ringtone, and this way uses the Base64 method. I find this way to be much faster, so let me demonstrate what happens when I plug in my charger to my iPhone. So I'm going to plug it in now.
When my phone is connected to power.
Let me unplug and plug it back in.
Charging.
The response time is almost immediate. With the other method I had shown earlier, it takes about a split of a second, although it's doable, it's acceptable, but this way is much faster. I did not show it earlier on because during the creation process there is a slight lag when you paste the text in the text field action. There is a slight lag, and it sometimes may feel like VoiceOver is not responding, although it actually is. So I'll show you this time around how to create your own charging ringtone using Base64. So let's begin. So now for this, to create your charging tone, use the Base64 method. Now even the shortcut app itself has Base64, but for some reason, unknown reason there is, the Base64 action which comes pre-built into all shortcuts app does not function as well as it should with VoiceOver turned on. So for this I search for a shortcut, a Base64 shortcut, and you'll find the link for it in the box below. Now before you use it, I suggest first copy an audio file, and I also recommend using a small audio file because the larger the audio file, the longer it will take for Base64 conversions, and you may experience a lag during the creation process. Copy a small audio file. The audio file I use is only 1 second long. So I will now locate the audio and copy the link for the audio file.
777 kilobytes. Actions available.
This audio is 770 kilobytes. It's very small. Tap on share and tap on copy.
Drag item. Compress. Share. Caged _battery _charging _
Locate and tap on copy.
Copy button. iCloud Drive. Back button.
Next, go to your Shortcuts app. So let's go to Shortcuts. Tap on Shortcuts.
Shortcuts. Shortcuts. Add button.
What you want to do is now first locate the shortcut Base64.
Add new folder. Shortcuts. All shortcut. Share sheet. Apple Watch. Edit. Add new shortcuts. All shortcuts. Set. Ultimate Media Downloader. Shortcuts. Back. Select. Create short. All shortcut. Search. Search field. Search field. Search field. Is editing. Clear text. Cancel. Eli's charging. 9. Eli Base64. 17 actions. Button. Actions available.
I've renamed it to Eli. You can rename it to your name if you choose to. But so you tap on the shortcut. In this case, Eli's Base64 shortcut.
Eli Base64. Heading. Code completed. Preview.
Now the code is completed. It has converted the audio which I had selected earlier on and converted it into a Base64 version, which is basically binary text. So what you do is copy that, you can see the options here.
Copy.
Copy,
Copy preview.
copy preview,
Preview copy.
preview copy,
Preview copy. Preview copy.
and there's preview copy, and
Copy preview. Copy.
that's all you need. What you need is to copy the resulting conversion to your clipboard. So double tap to copy.
Shortcut finished. Shortcuts.
Once
Search
you're
field.
done
Is
that,
editing. Eli. Character mode. Clear text.
so the conversion part is complete. Next, go back to your shortcuts, the main menu of Shortcuts app, and go to the bottom.
Gallery. Tab.
You
3 of
find
3.
Gallery.
Tab. 3 of 3.
Tap on Automation.
Automation. Tab. 2 of 3. Add. Add. Button.
Tap on Add.
Cancel. Button. New automation. Create an automation that create personal automation. Button.
Tap on Create Personal Automation.
Time of day. E.g. at 8 a.m. on weekdays. Button.
And select or tap on
Charger. E.g. when my iPhone connects to power. Button.
Charger when my iPhone connects to charger. Double tap.
When.
Then next tap on Next.
Next. Button. Next. Search for apps and actions. Search field.
Now you have initially copied the base conversion to clipboard. What you want to do now is to paste the converted binary text into an edit field in your automation creation process. So for this, under search for apps and actions, double tap.
Search field is editing. Search for apps and actions. Character mode. Insertion point at start.
Here type text.
Cat T X T. Clear text. Cancel. Apps. Maps. Safari. Prism. Toolbar. Notes. Calculator. Messages. Facebook. Settings. Actions. Text. Button.
This is what
Actions
you
available.
want. Double tap on text.
Text. Search
Now,
for apps and actions.
look-
Search field.
Locate the edit box where you paste the converted binary text into.
Add action. But text. Text
You
field.
see it's a text
Actions
field.
available.
Double tap.
Text field is editing. Text. Insertion point at start.
Now paste the
Actions
converted
available.
or copy text from the clipboard to the edit box here.
Words. Live. Text. Speak. Vol. 1. Audio. Punch. Text field. Word. Live. Text. Speak. Volume. Audio. Punch. Sound. Hints. Length. Heading. Verdict. Typing. Edit. Paste.
Paste. Double tap.
Button.
You see it says done. Swipe left once.
Shortcut input. Button. Current date. Button. Shortcut. Done. Button. Done. Button.
Tap on done. It'll be easier.
Closed variables tray. Variables. Search for apps and action. Undo. But search for apps and actions. Search field.
Now you get back if you get to the search for apps and actions. Go in here. Double tap.
Search field is editing. Search for apps and actions. Insertion point at start.
Here type encode. So you look for the, once again look for encode Base64.
Cat Encode. Clear text. Cancel. Actions. Encode media. Button. More info. Button. Base64 encode. Button.
You want
Actions available.
Base64 encode. Double tap to select.
Added Base64. Search for apps and actions.
Now,
Search field.
locate the Base64 encode action by going towards the top or swiping left on your screen.
Add action. Button. Show more. Button. Encode. Text with Base64. Actions available.
Swipe up with one finger.
Edit. Input. Text.
Want to edit the encode from the Base64 from encode to decode.
Edit. Mode. Encode.
Edit the mode. Double tap
Alert. Mode.
and select decode.
Selected. Encode. Button. Decode. Button.
Tap on decode.
Decode. Text with Base64.
Now you have done.
Actions available.
the third step and the final step is to play the decoded binary text, which will in fact decode back to the audio you had copied previously.
Add action button.
Add action just below this.
Search for apps and actions. Search field.
Search for apps
Actions
and
available.
actions. Double tap.
Insertion point at end.
And type play sound. So that's what we want. Type play sound. I'll type play sound.
Cat PLAY space SOUND. Clear tab. Cancel. Apps. Toolbox Pro. Watch. Action. Play sound. Button.
This is what we
Actions
want.
available.
Double tap to select.
Added play sound to short. Search for apps and actions. Search field.
So essentially the automation is almost complete.
Redo. Toolbar. Bottom of speech off. Speech off. Run shortcut. Button. Speech off.
Charging.
Play with speech turned off, you'll be able to hear it much clearer.
Charging.
So you know it works. Now we know that it works. What you do is go back to the top of your shortcut automation creation screen
Speech on.
and tap on done.
Edit automation. Back button. Actions. Text action. Heading. Edit automation. Back button. Edit auto. Text. Base64 encode. Ask before running. Ask before running. Switch button. Off.
Remember, ask before running should be set to off. Okay, then go back
Cancel. Button. Edit automation. Done. Button.
and tap on done.
Add. Button.
Now if I plug in my
Add. Button.
charger,
iPhone. Personal.
if I
Heading.
plug in my charger to my iPhone, let's see what happens.
Charging.
The response time when as soon as you plug in, you hear the sound which says charging, and that's much faster than the one I had shown earlier, because that is a little slower compared to Base64, which is much more faster. Okay, so you find the shortcut for Base64 below, and hopefully this demo has been useful. Thank you, all the best, and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.